Problem is asking us to compare the functions of f of x and g of x. Now, the first thing is, let's look at the domains. All right, so the domain, so see this goes forever to the left and forever to the right. Okay, so our domain is negative infinity to positive infinity. This is a line which goes forever to the left and forever to the right. So the domain is also negative infinity to positive infinity. So when we're looking at the domain, that's your x values. Okay, these go forever to the left and forever to the right. So both of them are going to be that. Okay, now let's look at the next, the range values. So the range values are my y values. So if you look at this y value, so this y value is going from basically the number 1 upwards to infinity. So this one is y is greater than or equal to 1, where this one goes up and down forever. Okay, so this one would be y is from negative infinity to positive infinity. So the question is, the range is y equals greater than or equal to 1. Well, which one has that? Well, the range would be f of x. So only f of x would have that range. Now the next thing says the y-intercept is 3. So the y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. So if you look, the g of x crosses way up there somewhere. F of x crosses here at 3. So in this case, that would be f of x. Now the next thing says the function has a negative x-intercept. So x-intercepts are where it hits the x-axis. Well, this one over here has no x-intercept. Okay, never hits this x-axis. Over here, this one crosses at positive 2. So the thing says function has a negative x-intercept. Well, this is clearly a positive x-intercept. And this one has no x-intercepts. So this would be neither. Neither has a negative x-intercept. And the last thing says the function is decreasing between x equals negative 6 and negative 4. So this means when it says it's decreasing, that means it has a negative slope in that region. So it's going down. All right, so it should be going down. So if we look from negative 6 to negative 4, well, negative 6 to negative 4 would be this region. Do that in a different color. We'll do that in red. Okay, negative 6 to negative 4 would be right over here. Okay, as you can see that this is definitely going down. See, it's going down. All right, and over here, negative 6 to negative 4 would be off the charts. But if it's off the charts, this whole graph is always going down. It's always going down. So in this case, they're both going to have a negative slope during that region.